Okay, any guesses as to how old this thing is? I'm saying 25 years, at least. This was just delivered to me. It needs to be fixed right away. Like everything with farm equipment, it only breaks when you need it. There's the problem, this almost cracked right off. And it's all twisted and bent. I assume they're happy with the angle that it's sitting at. It wasn't bent anytime recently, that's for sure. And actually, if you look right here, it looks like it was bent when it was made. That's not a new crack either. It is ripped a little more down here. You can see it, but up here it's rusty. So it didn't happen recently. That closed it up pretty good. So what I think I'll do is just grind that out, open it up a little bit so I can get in there better and weld this crack out and then try and reinforce it somehow. If it's cracked now, it's probably a lot of strain on that. Obviously there's a lot of strain on all of it, but okay, ready to weld, I think. It's cracked like 99% of the way. Lucky it didn't fall off. And look how much this hole is reamed out, huh? Well used. I can weld from both sides, so that's good. Then I'll try and reinforce it. Maybe put something across here. And we'll get her hot. And there it is, back together. It's probably stronger now than the day it was built. At least that part. I looked it over, I don't see any more cracks, so that's a good sign. This has got a lot of years on it. You can see the adjustment piece, whatever it is called, right here. It's new. I remember the wife buying that a couple years ago. But everything else, you know, it's when they bought the tractor, the old tuk-tuk tractor, 25 years ago at least. New stuff don't hold up like that, that's for sure. Alright guys, well that's it. And for all you guys that know how to weld, I know I don't. I don't pretend to. But I can stick it together. It's better than anybody around here can fix it, I know that. Whew, tired. You can't blame a guy for trying, right? Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching.